travel without spending your savings. Alam mo, possible kasi ang ginagawa ko, I gave very practical tips. Like, for example, you cut back on your expensive coffee. Marami sa atin guilty dyan, di ba? And you'll be surprised if it's 200 pesos a day, you drink that every day to work, that's 1,000 pesos. In 1 month, that's already 4,000. Tama ba yung computation ko? 2,468. Tama. 4,000 pesos savings. And then, sabi ko, there's money lying around your house. Isa rin yan sa mga things. Like, for example, we have double cell phones, we have triple helmets, we have mga two TVs, pero isa lang naman yung ginagamit natin. We have, di ba, mga ilang cellphones, pero isa lang naman talaga yung practical to use because that's what you used often. Maraming mga things na pwede nating mga masell. And I'm that kind of person na, syempre may mga things na ipamimigay mo because alam mo kailangan to ng isang tao. But then there are also things that you could sell. Like for example, things na nabili mo. Syempre ako rin naman, may mga things naman din ako na may mga impulse buys. May mga impulse buys din ako na parang, ay, nabili ko, hindi ko na pala to kailangan. So I'd rather just sell this and